Hi, good morning. Welcome to the Arcadia by Santras. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Andorra basic unit, which is ito yung carport natin. As you walk through, andito tayo sa ground floor. Ito yung tinatawag namin na basic, which is wala siyang tiles. And then, meron ditong kitchen. And also, we have the toilet and bath here. So makikita nyo rin dito sa first floor natin, quality ang ating mga ginamit na materials here. Kung mapapansin po nila, wala siyang partition, and then yung ceiling niya, on process siya dahil nga basic unit yung ipapurchase ng client. So, nakadepende pa rin sa client kung ano yung ipapamodify nila. So, subject for approval yon. So, eto yung sinasabi namin na insta-move-in. So, for as low as 38,000, you can move in here. So, let me know if you have any questions para mapag-usapan natin kung ano yung payment terms. Yun lang.